it's me, Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you my 4 new fidgets I got yesterday. Let's get started. And I will say the name. I have a cyan pop tube. It's really loud. Next fidget. Oh, I give this one a 8.5 out of 10. Next, I have this basic purple Neato. I really like this. I'll give it a 9. No, I'll give it more of a 8.5. No, just 8. I have a bubble Neato. So this one's different. It has a way thicker bubble or whatever. And it has pink Orbeez and foam beads. And I like it though. It's kind of harder. But next one, 8.5 out of 10. Next one's my favorite, Jumbo Neato. It's so cool. Personally, I don't like the huge ones because it's just foam beads in it, but I don't know. Bye!